Hi everyone! At today's XTT we will have a look at the post-processing of our carbon rims. In contrast to other departments of XeNTiS, a lot of work is done by automated machines in this area. The first step is the milling of the raw clincher wheels. Afterwards, the machining of the patented braking surface takes place. In combination with the implemented high temperature resistant resin system, one of the most critical areas of the wheel is realized through this step. Finally, the spoke hole drilling is done. Due to durability reasons, this work requires high precision and a lot of knowledge in wheel building. Now the wheels are ready for the optical finish. See you next week when we will have a look at the finishing process of the XeNTiS Mark III. Thanks for watching.